Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, very eventful day on this one. Big volume, big price movement, although I will say that from the presentation standpoint, a very tricky chart to talk about as there's quite a bit of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there and your plan was to, buy and sell within, 10, 15 minutes. Well, then from that angle, the chart looks absolutely terrible. Now, from the big picture point of view, assuming you care about things, I understand there was a large pullback. But again, from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. It's just higher bases being put into play over extended periods of time. And that's going to be the viewpoint that I talk about things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into all this. And I'm not saying that this next part is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price pulls back some more and comes down here to right around the $2 mark. So price comes down here to $2, behaves in that manner, and then starts to curl back up. Now, emphasis here on big picture, but what would you have from the big picture point of view? Well, you'd have a set of lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you would very clearly still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as $2. Again, I understand if you're a day trader and you bought right there, you don't care about these stair steps, but that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting on things from the bigger picture point of view. So yeah, today the price pulled back, but stop thinking about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.